But I get a lot of sense from you that there's an amalgamation of everything and anything.
Right.
I've seen you doing it sounded like Prince, through Lenny Kravitz, through to Hendrix, even Van Halen and stuff like that.
Absolutely. Well, that's it's crept into my style. You see what I'm saying? And so because I grew up listening to Prince in the '80s, so a lot of my rhythmic stuff is just total, that kind of stuff, which is just I could do that all day long, And he had these great little quartal things. Or this one's the best one. I don't know why. I don't know where he got that.
Yeah, but I've seen you do Purple Rain and stuff like that before.
Yeah. Well, right when he passed away, in 2016, I started doing Purple Rain as a tribute, he was a very, very underrated guitarist.
Oh, totally.
Especially his rhythm playing, unbelievable. I mean, some of the stuff that he does was just amazing.
In the palm of a hand.